If you love cinnamon rolls but don't love the guilt that usually comes after, this recipe is for you. Today, I'm making soft, wholesome whole wheat cinnamon rolls that are naturally sweetened with dates and made with plant-based butter. There's no refined sugar here, no heavy oils, just simple, nourishing ingredients that still give you that comforting cinnamon roll experience. These rolls are perfect for breakfast, snack time, or whenever you want something sweet without overdoing it. Most traditional cinnamon rolls are made with white flour and refined sugar, which can spike blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. This version uses whole wheat flour for fiber, dates for natural sweetness, and plant-based butter to keep it lighter and dairy-free, while still soft and satisfying. We'll start by preparing our date paste, which replaces honey or sugar completely. Take your pitted dates and soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes until they soften. Once they're ready, blend them into a smooth paste. Dates add natural sweetness, fiber, and minerals, making them a much better option for balanced energy and mindful eating. Next, we'll prepare the dough. In a bowl, combine warm plant-based milk with yeast and allow it to sit for a few minutes until it becomes slightly foamy. This step is important because it helps activate the yeast and ensures soft, fluffy rolls. Once the yeast is ready, add Greek yogurt or a dairy-free yogurt alternative, your prepared date paste, melted plant-based butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together, then gradually add whole wheat flour until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough gently until it becomes smooth and elastic. Whole wheat dough takes a little more patience than white flour dough, but don't rush it. This step helps develop structure and softness. Once the dough is ready, place it in a bowl, cover it, and allow it to rise in a warm place for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, we'll prepare the cinnamon filling. In a small bowl, mix date paste with cinnamon and a small amount of melted plant-based butter. This creates a rich, flavorful filling that's naturally sweet and deeply comforting, without any refined sugar. When the dough has risen, gently roll it out into a rectangle. Spread the cinnamon date filling evenly across the surface, making sure to reach the edges so every bite is full of flavor. Slowly roll the dough into a tight log and slice it into even portions. Arrange the rolls on a baking dish or tray, leaving a little space between each one so they can expand. Let the rolls rest for about 20 minutes before baking. This second rest helps improve the texture and softness of the final result. Bake the rolls at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, until they are lightly golden and your kitchen smells warm and inviting. Once baked, allow the rolls to cool slightly before serving. These whole wheat cinnamon rolls are soft, nourishing, and naturally sweetened, making them a guilt-free treat you can feel good about enjoying. If you prefer, you can enjoy them just as they are, or add a light yogurt-based glaze for extra creaminess. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy, guilt-free recipes. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a high-protein version, a vegan glaze option, or more naturally sweetened baked goods.